So we all know that makeup wipes aren't really the best for our skin, but there's a reason why they're a mainstay in most of our beauty regimes. They're just so convenient. So here's how to make makeup wipes that won't damage your skin. Hi guys, and welcome to WholeElise. I'm Elise, and today I'm going to show you how to make an all-natural makeup remover and makeup wipes. So some of the biggest issues when it comes to using makeup wipes are the fact that they can use quite harsh cleansing agents which can dry out your skin. All of the oils and emulsifiers can very easily clog your pores and cause breakouts, and then to top it all off, you also have the fact that some of them do use quite cheap and rough material, and that can damage the surface of your skin. But in today's tutorial, we're tackling all three of those things. So if you're not quite ready to give up on makeup wipes, then keep watching. While this makeup remover is completely oil-free, I will also be uploading an oil cleansing version. So if that's of interest to you, subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on the notifications bell so you know as soon as that video comes out. Most conventional makeup removers rely on using either soap, alcohol, or harsh chemicals to remove your makeup, and that can cause a whole world of problems for your skin. But in this tutorial, I'm going to be using natural cleansing agents like aloe vera and witch hazel. Oils can be incredible for your skin, but if you have acne-prone or sensitive skin, they can sometimes lead to breakouts. Now with most conventional makeup wipes, you don't have a choice, they'll usually include oil. But the best thing about this DIY is not only is it oil-free, but I'm actually going one step further by using glycerin and rose water to help with hydration, ease inflammation, and also help reduce flare-ups. So now that we've got all of our awesome ingredients assembled, let's get straight into making our makeup wipes. Not only will I be showing you how to make this basic all-natural makeup remover, but also two different variations on makeup wipes. So it's like 3-in-1 in this tutorial. That's definitely worth a thumbs up. To make our natural makeup remover, we'll start by combining our water, aloe vera gel, witch hazel, rose water, and glycerin. Then we'll need to add a preservative so that our makeup remover is safe to keep out at room temperature and will last for at least a few months. If you're confused about when to add preservatives and DIYs and whether or not you need them, I cover all the basics in my natural lotion tutorial linked above. Finally, pour into a container and you've just made an all-natural makeup remover. I like to reuse my store-bought bottles because it already has a handy applicator. You're free to use this as is, but if you want to make makeup wipes, then there are a couple more steps. For our first makeup wipes, all you'll need is a medium-sized container and kitchen roll or paper towels. Next, we're going to cut the roll so it fits the size of your container. FYI, this step is a lot easier if you use a sharp knife, but yeah, we got there in the end. Now all you need to do is to squeeze your roll into your container. This might take a minute or two, but it'll fit, with a little bit of help. Try to use a good quality brand of paper towels so that the wipes are sturdy but still gentle on your skin. Pour your makeup remover over the roll so that it's completely soaked. After a few minutes, you should be able to take out the cardboard core and your DIY makeup wipes are done. And finally, we have our makeup pads. For this, you'll need to fill up your container with good quality cotton pads. Then simply pour the makeup remover over your pads. The cotton pads can take a while to absorb the liquid, so wait a little while and then either add more pads or more liquid until everything is completely saturated. You might also need to shake the container to make sure that all the pads have soaked up the liquid. For travel makeup remover pads, pack a small container with cotton pads and, like before, pour makeup remover over them until they're completely saturated. So you can see how well this natural makeup remover works. On my arm I have some of the regular lipstick that I wear. I'm just going to take one of the cotton pads and see how well it removes it. So here we have all of our makeup removers. This is our basic all natural makeup remover, and because we added a preservative, this should be good for at least 6 months and you don't need to worry about refrigerating it. And of course we have our two different types of makeup removing wipes. On my left here, this is the paper towel wipes. For me, they resemble more of a traditional makeup wipe, but my personal favorite is actually to use the cotton pads. The cotton really absorbs all the goodness packed into our makeup removers and it glides across your skin really easily, so I highly recommend that you try this out. Finally, I made a small travel pack of our makeup wipes. This is just a basic aluminium tin that you can pick up anywhere. But inside I have about 8 or 9 makeup wipes. This is perfect for on the go. I definitely recommend having a couple small containers of makeup wipes, and that way you always have access to great makeup wipes wherever you go. Now, even though these makeup wipes are jam-packed full of acne fighting, oil controlling, skin soothing, moisturizing goodness, they are still not a replacement for washing your face. The best way to use makeup wipes is in conjunction with a deep cleansing skin routine. So I like to use these just to get rid of all of my surface makeup, and then I'll go on to do a deep cleanse as I wash my face. But when you're in a pinch, or let's face it, just want to use wipes, these are so much better than any store-bought alternative. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you liked this video and found it helpful. I have a bunch more tutorials on making your own natural hair and skincare products on my channel, plus loads more exciting DIYs to come. So do make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. For even more natural skincare, check out my playlist on making lotions, body butters and face sprays.